Okay, so this time I'm reporting projects for project 3. The first one is the payroll project. It asks me to create a payroll. It gets the hourly pay rate, hours worked, gross pay, and create methods and classes in order to test the class. So I have created all of my variables. I have created all my methods below. I have employee names and ID numbers, as you can see. And then as you go back over here, one issue I ran into is I could not get JOption pane to import. Therefore, I couldn't use JOption pane for any of these programs actually, and I've been trying to troubleshoot that all week. Here I have more variables as well as a scanner to input data from the keyboard, employee name, ID, the amount, and the hourly pay, and this just is the simple calculation and get it out. Like I said, I couldn't really get it to print out from the main class. So, but let me test it just to show. Employee name, I'll put Eric. Oh well. ID. Say I work 40 hours at $7 an hour, that would be $280. So next I was asked to create a method in class in order to test that class of test scores, where it asks the user for 3 test scores and they input each test and it gives you back the average. So here I've created the private doubles as well as creating my methods in order to create generate the score, return the score, and then to convert the score over. Over here I've imported the scanner so I can import what's the user inputs on the keyboard, create doubles, as well as add prompts for them to enter each of the scores from their tests. And at the end it averages them as well as takes it down to 2 decimal places, such as if I make a 90, 95, and even a 97.5. My average would be 94.17, as you can see right there. It doesn't trail with decimals. Next we had the circle class that I had to go through, and I created the class file as well for this. I also had the same issue where I couldn't get the option pane for this. I'm sorry about my dog. To where I was not able to get it to feed the data over into the main class. Therefore, I created the class just like I should have in all my methods, declare my variables, calculate store results, I got my methods, and over here I tried pretty much everything I knew and I couldn't really get it to output from these methods. So I went ahead and just did it the way I knew possible. That way I at least got an answer that was correct, other than not getting anything or just an error. So for example, I got a radius of 19, area, diameter, and circumference right there. Alright, that'll be all. Thanks.